Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm just going to be comparing three types of spray waxes for you guys to see which one is the most hydrophobic. The three types of spray waxes I will be comparing is Turtle Wax, Adams, and Meguiar's. To start, I'm going to clay bar each section of the hood. Now that I clay barred each section of the hood, all I'm going to do is wipe down the hood with some alcohol to make sure there's no remaining waxes that would affect my test. So now all I'm going to do is apply a different spray wax to each section of the hood, and then after that I'm going to take some water and test the hydrophobic effects of each spray wax. Alright guys, so now that I tested all those three spray waxes, in my opinion I would say Turtle Wax won and had the most hydrophobic effects. Please leave a comment below and let me know what you think won. Thanks for watching and please subscribe below.